As you know, one of the most exciting time is when it's time for allocation. To represent my client is one of my utmost happiness as a realtor. So today is the allocation, the second allocation of our clients who have bought in Chevy Castle Estate here in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. So I'm so excited. I will be representing one of my clients that are based abroad. So watch this video as I'm going to take you on this allocation. Let's see exactly how this allocation is going to take place. Watch to the end. I'm glad you did. Remember, my name is Peter Twinner for LekkiProperty.com. My job is to assist you with the right real estate investment information. So when you're making real estate investment decision, you have to make a right decision. For our clients who have invested there, congratulations. For those who are still on the payment plan, please continue your payment plan. As soon as you're done with the payment plan, I will be delighted to stand in for your own allocation. All right? So let's get ready as we move now to the side. Let's go.